Everyone, sorry my hair is crazy and I'm in my pajamas, but let's get on with the video. I'm sorry the camera's crooked, but you know. Hey everyone, welcome back to Love. Make sure to like and subscribe. So comment down below this emoji to get a shout out in my next video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make tuna from just a can of tuna, a straight up can of tuna. Like, you'll see it, but it's so gross. Literally, it's so disgusting, but it tastes so amazing. So let's get into the ingredients. By the way, I'm doing a voiceover because, again, my mom is watching a movie. So, yeah. The ingredients that you are reading, of course, tuna, a can opener, some pepper, some salt, and I'm also using this like seasoning stuff. I didn't really add it, but I just showed it. The fourth thing that you are going to be needing is Miracle Whip. You can use Miracle Whip or you can use mayonnaise, what I'm showing right now. So yeah. In the clip, I actually ended up adding Miracle Whip and mayonnaise. And the sixth one is a fork. Yes, excuse me. The seventh thing that you are going to be needing is a sink. Okay, we're all good now. Now I'm going to be opening my can with a can opener. This is literally so tough to open. And literally they're just spilled all over the ground. And I saw that too. Savage! Okay, anyways. Struggling to open this. And then the can ended up falling in the juice, so I had to stick my hand in the gross, disgusting juice. My face is so crazy. Just dumping all the water out I'm actually smushing the cap, and I'm walking back. I actually ended up smushing the cap. See the cap right there? I'm actually smushing it against it, so none of the actual meat gets out. So yeah. Just look up and see people kissing, because my mom's watching like a romantic movie and I look up and see people kissing, like, ew. Okay, now I'm just throwing it away. Taking it over, and yeah. Now I'm just taking the tuna and putting it in my bowl. This one's kind of like a little bit of a struggle, not the baddest struggle ever, but I figured it out. And then I ended up pouring through the juice out. It's disgusting right now. Now I'm just adding some mayonnaise. You can add Miracle Whip and mayonnaise. I'm just adding mayonnaise. Just a little bit at a time until it looks like tuna. So that's oh, it does look like it. Now I'm going to be adding some salt and pepper and not the garlic, because I actually didn't end up adding the garlic. Yeah! I Here we go. No. And I actually kind of added a little bit too much salt. This is food, so I'm going to be editing this. By the way. I'm actually eating the tuna right now. It tastes so good. So this is the mess. It's going to be cleaned up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's cleaned up. Voice over time, done. I enjoy this beautiful bowl. So good. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys in tomorrow's video.